Creating and managing business analysis reports. Business analysis reports are documents. They give a detailed view of a company's performance, finances, and key metrics. These reports are vital for stakeholders, investors, and management. They help them make informed decisions about the business's future. Business analysis reports help identify strengths, weaknesses, and risks. They do this by analyzing data, trends, and KPIs. They also find growth opportunities. Importance of data analysis. Data analysis is the foundation of any business analysis report. By analyzing raw data, businesses can gain insights. They can then understand their performance and make data-driven decisions. Benefits of performance analysis. Performance analysis is a key component of business analysis reports. Businesses can assess their performance by comparing key metrics to benchmarks and targets. This helps find areas for improvement. Performance analysis reveals how well business strategies work. It shows the efficiency of operations and the organization's health. Leveraging financial analysis. Financial analysis is another critical aspect of business analysis reports. By analyzing financial statements and cash flow, businesses can assess their financial health. They can then make informed decisions on investments, pricing, and resource use. Financial analysis gives stakeholders a clear view of the company's performance. It also helps guide strategic decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, business analysis reports are vital. They drive informed decisions, evaluate performance, and find growth opportunities.